Welcome to JMR Learning Studio. Today you will learn the cleaning tools vocabulary. So let's start. This is a brush. This is a brush. This is a mop. This is a mop. This is a bucket. This is a bucket. This is a vacuum cleaner. This is a vacuum cleaner. This is a broom. This is a broom. This is a squeegee. This is a squeegee. This is a paper towel. This is a paper towel. This is a cloth. This is a cloth. This is a feather duster. This is a feather duster. This is a sponge. This is a sponge. These are cleaning spray. These are cleaning spray. This is a dust pan. This is a dust pan. This is a scrubbing brush. This is a scrubbing brush. These are rubber gloves. These are rubber gloves. This is a rubbish bin. This is a rubbish bin. This is a plunger. This is a plunger. These are steel scourer. These are steel scourer. This is a toilet brush. This is a toilet brush. This is a bin bag. This is a bin bag. These are laundry detergent. These are laundry detergent. This is a washing machine. This is a washing machine. This is a dryer. This is a dryer. This is a drying rack. This is a drying rack. This is a bottle brush. This is a bottle brush. These are cleaning gloves. These are cleaning gloves. This is a soap. This is a soap. This is a cobweb brush. This is a cobweb brush. This is a floor wiper. This is a floor wiper. If you like the video, do subscribe and press the bell notification. Thank you.